Hello, I've got part 2 to the polyrhythmic exercises. This one's a bit more challenging. This is going to give you a 5 against 4. So we're going to be counting to 5, and at the same time we're going to be counting to 4. Now, the beat itself is counted in 4, so we're just doing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, but we're going to imply 5. The groups of fake 3s that we did last time takes 3 measures to get back to 1. This one, since we're creating fake 5s, guess what? It's going to take 5 measures to get back. So the pattern is the same though. So here's what we're going to do. Just like the last exercise, we're going to do eighth notes on the right cymbal, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We're going to do quarter notes with the left hand, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do 2 and 4 at the hi-hat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty easy. That's the easy part. The bass drum is what's going to be creating the fake 5. So, the count is going to be the number, the E of the next number, the AND of the third number, and then the of the fourth number. So, if you're so it's basically 5 notes. So it's 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and And that's going to carry through all the 5 measures. Now, it's not going to line up on 1 each time. It's going to change. It's going to move. But that's the idea. By the time you get back after the 5th measure, back to the 1st, you'll be back on 1. So, a little strange. Between just my hands, I'm going to play that. So, it's going to be 1, 2 E, 3, and 4. 1, 2 E. So, that's the main pulse, right? So let's apply it now to the drum set. So I'm going to leave the hi-hat out for now. I did that last week and I forgot to add it back. I apologize. I'll add it back later on. But here it is. So we got this. The bass drum is going to be on the number of 1. It's going to be on 1. It's going to be on the E of 2. It's going to be the AND of 3. And the of 4. So that. I told you I was going to add the hi-hat back, and I will. So it's so it's on. It's a little weird. Does the bass drum sound like it's not lining up with the thing? Yeah, that's the point. It will get back to normal. Now, you're going to do this for a long time? Probably not. You could do it as, instead of a drum fill, you can just shift the time a little bit and create this polyrhythm, and it's just kind of interesting. Just like last week, we could switch that. So let's switch it. I'll play this time, instead of playing a hi-hat and 2 and 4, I'll play this over here, so you can see how this lines up. So, whoops, actually, we're switching it. So bass drum. So you got like this dance beat, right? So let's say people are dancing and they're grooving, but you want to really throw them off. Let's throw a 5 over this 4. So it's going to be together, the E, the AND, and the other. Like that. And we'll see how many people dance to 4, and we'll see how many people dance to 5. Which is gonna look pretty weird, but that's okay. So, so that's the idea. So this is a 5 against 4 exercise, and it's a little bit more challenging. But there's one more that I'm gonna give you next week, and that's gonna be a 4 against 3. It's not the same as 3 against 2, even though 2 is a multiple of 4. They have different feels to them, and we'll explore that. So, I hope this made sense. I hope this is good. This one's a little bit more of a coordination builder and a brain exercise more than anything, because your brain has to be in so many different areas, but that's what we do as drummers. And if you're not pushing the envelope, then, that's fine too. But I don't know, if you're going to do something, just do it to the best of your ability. And sometimes people say, well, when am I ever going to play this crazy stuff? Well, maybe you don't. But the fact that you can makes the easier stuff just that much easier and smoother. So anyway, I hope that helps. If there's any questions, reach out. If not, then I'll just see you next time. See ya.